Hi, I'm Kristina Wesley, and I'm joined today by Jessica Kask. Welcome to our series where we talk about exciting topics related to cleaning in the manufacturing and packaging environments. We will share some of the questions and concerns that we address regularly when working with someone on selecting a cleaning agent or developing a cleaning process. Today's question is, what is the difference between a cleaning agent and a sanitizer? Jessica, this is a great question. Is there a difference?
Thanks, Kristina. There definitely is. It's really important to understand the difference between the terms cleaning and sanitizing. Cleaning is the process of removing dirt, debris, and impurities from a surface, while sanitizing is the process of reducing or lowering the number of microorganisms or pathogens to an acceptable level based on public health or other regulatory guidelines. In order to properly sanitize, a surface must be cleaned first. Any remaining material has the potential to become a food source for microbial growth further down the line. All production should start with clean equipment, which is why here at Dober we like to say that cleaning should be the first step you consider in your process and not the last.
Wow, thank you, Jessica. That is very valuable information you're shared. And I can really understand now why it's so important to have a clean surface before you sanitize. To hear more of your cleaning process questions answered, please like us, follow us, or we encourage you to visit us at dober.com/Chematic.